It's great to be working with the Dorset Wildlife Trust to launch the Get Dorset Buzzing campaign today. It's wonderful to get the children thinking about the outside environment, to thinking about the wonderful wildlife that we have around us, and of course it's great to have Dr George McGavin with us today to inspire the next generation of ecologists into...
I'm really pleased to be helping launch Get Dorset Buzzing. By signing up, we can all help by providing habitat and food for pollinators who desperately need help. If we all make a small difference in our gardens, together we can make a big difference.
We've got involved with the Get Dorset Buzzing campaign really because we're really interested in the environment, as you might imagine, as a garden centre, and what we want to do is encourage our customers to do some good things for the environment, which they're all keen to do. I think the problem with some environmental issues is you feel like you're being told off the whole time. So by working with Dorset Wildlife Trust on a number of campaigns, and particularly the Get Dorset Buzzing, what we've got is a really positive campaign, a really positive message that everyone can get involved with, feel like they're doing some wonderful things for the environment, as well as enhancing what their garden looks like and what their garden does. And so it's a really easy thing for us to get involved in.
We are really excited about this campaign. Wessex Water is committed to protecting the environment and wildlife, and we're really pleased to support Dorset Wildlife's Get Buzzing campaign here today. Wessex Water supply water across the whole of Dorset, and clearly customers' gardens are really important for pollinators. We give regular advice and chat to our customers about water saving in their gardens, and how actually a water efficient garden is not only good for saving water, but also is a wildlife friendly garden too.